Welcome all. First we want to separate the receivers to gain access to the insides. Then remove the two screws as shown so you can pull out the outer barrel hop chamber assembly. Now remove the two screws holding the hop chamber into the outer barrel and gently pull the hop chamber out. If you turn the hop wheel, there's a cutout that will allow you to reach the screw. Remove 4 screws to gain access to the inside of the hop chamber. Once all screws are taken out, you can separate the hop chamber to remove the barrel. Now's the perfect time to clean the backing if need be. I've been using an aftermarket backing, which is the Flamingo by Sniper Mechanic, which is available from Skirm Shop UK, and I also believe it's available on the Hadron Airsoft Designs webpage. There's a breakdown diagram of the hop chamber parts on the back of the package, followed by a more detailed installation guide when removed from the packaging. The smaller parts of the chamber are inside the world's smallest polybag. Place the O-ring over the main chamber into the groove and make sure it sits flush all around. I got ahead of myself at this point, but instructions do say to remove the O-ring from the front of the barrel. Then slide the barrel nicely into position, just take it slowly. The nub that comes with the chamber is a standard looking Action Army nub. I won't be using this myself, but the installation would be more or less the same. I'm going to be using the Stalker Pantera nub, which should provide better contact when combined with the Flamingo backing on the BB. Available from Skirm Shop or Skirm Shop UK. A little tip here, apply a small amount of grease to the circular hole in the hop lever. This will help keep the spring in place. If you were using the Action Army nub, it'd be easier to assemble this stage exactly like in the instructions, by placing the spring and the nub on the hop lever and carefully closing them. Take it slowly and make sure everything is aligned. Install the knob detent into the barrel bushing with the spring going into the hole. This is what is going to click when you adjust the hop adjustment. Push down gently on the hop lever. Make sure when installing the adjustment knob onto the chamber that a small row of circular holes face away from the bucking and towards the end of the barrel. Install the barrel bushing with the knob indent spring facing towards the adjustment knob. Although you don't have to do this, I went back and applied a small amount of grease to the O-ring underneath the adjustment ring. When you're happy everything looks good, place the barrel spacer into position and fix the screws into the barrel bushing. Now gently tighten, don't rush, as you don't want to over tighten and possibly damage the barrel. Check that when applying more hop on the adjustment knob that the bucking is being pressed down evenly. Remember to reinstall the O-ring to the front of the barrel. Once you're happy everything is working, just repeat the reassembly of the hop chamber into the outer barrel, then reattach the receivers.